In this video, you'll learn how to buy a token. Step 1. Choose your asset represented by tokens. Go to the primary market and select the product you want. Click Go to Details to open the product page. Here you will see the product description, issuance date, key parameters, and a link to the white paper. We strongly recommend reading the white paper before making any investment decision. Step 2. Buy the tokens. When the subscription opens, choose how many tokens you want on the right side of the product page and tap Buy. Confirm the transaction using two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, the required amount of fiat money will be locked in your wallet until the subscription closes. Step 3. View and manage your subscription. Go to the Activity section and open your request to see all details. In the Request view, you can review all subscription parameters or cancel your subscription if needed. Step 4. Receive your tokens. After the subscription closes and issuance is complete, tokens are distributed automatically. In your wallet's asset list on the left, you will see the completed transactions, including the tokens allocated to you and the amount of fiat money deducted.